People often ask us, why do you encouch the patented technology of the launchbox into a wooden housing? Why not just use cheap, injection molded plastic instead? The founder of Magic Flight is a fine craftsman with extensive woodworking expertise. As an industry pioneer, the Magic Flight vision was to create a quality, handcrafted organic vaporizer. Wood has natural resistive properties that actively prevent the breeding of bacteria, fungi, and mold. Keep in mind that the nature of a growing tree has strong incentive to evolve in a direction that preserves and protects the wood within from invasions like these. Each wood type naturally contains powerful oils and aromatics inherent within the wood to protect and preserve with its natural anti-microbial, anti-fungal properties. In nature, treefall exposed to wind, rain, and sunlight typically takes many years to biodegrade. We harness the longevity of wood and enhance its durability with a food-grade mineral oil to seal in the beauty and characteristics of each launchbox and extend its permanence by a factor of 10 to 20 times. Here at Magic Flight, we carve our craft from the bones of trees, and trees last a very long time. Each handsome, solid hardwood piece is truly one of a kind and enables you to leverage the medicinal properties of plants, herbs, and flowers for your well-being and enjoyment. The bottom line, wood is good. None of us would even be here today without our father's wood. The launchbox was intelligently designed to extract the essence of herbal material while fitting stealthily in the palm of your hand.